How to earn XP faster in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can multiply the XP. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here, you can see this start button. Simply tap on start. So how does XP work in Duolingo? So basically, there are different lessons to which you have subscribed or enabled. Now, in order to get more XP, you must complete all of the lessons that you have just learned. So simply tap on start first, and now here the images and the lesson has been loaded. Here you must walk carefully because here you even have heart on the top. So without decreasing any heart, you must start playing the game without losing. So try focusing hard on the gameplay by learning the language, and you'll be able to earn more XP in the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.